Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see about how we can delete our existing Mangools account. For this, open any browser. In the search bar, type it out Mangools. Click on the first result and if you have already signed up, you could see start 10-day free trial. Click on it. Under settings, you could find delete account option. Click on it where you can find two options. I want to disable auto renewal and I want to delete my account. Under that, you could find understand delete my account. Click on it. It asks your password. Update your password over here. Confirm account deletion. Click on it. And you have asked to log in. It didn't sign up because the account was cancelled because the account has been deleted. I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.